The boys rise in darkness, and they begin their day with chores, milking cows, working with the animals. So I think there's a natural rhythm to life. The boys begin to tune themselves in a way to a certain rhythm, a certain harmony.
The young men's rhythm here at St. Martin's Academy is modeled on the Benedictine model of ora et labora, that is, prayer and work. The Benedictine monk's life is very active in terms of work, but also very active in terms of his prayer. And here also at St. Martin's Academy, the young men work hard in the fields, milking cows, on the rugby pitch, in the classroom, but they also give their hearts and souls in prayer to God. And so prayer punctuates the young men's day from morning until evening.
At St. Martin's Academy, we have 4 main core precepts that drive the entire life of the school here. And those 4 precepts are awaken wonder, heal the imagination, increase attentiveness, and restore authentic masculinity.
Working on the farm instills a great work ethic that is very helpful in the classroom and making sure that you can maintain and keep up with all your academic studies.
On Wednesdays, we have Work Wednesdays. One crew does campus beautifications. My crew does community service. I actually really like Wednesdays here. Wednesdays make the weeks fly by.
It's been said that the glory of God is man fully alive. And as the darkness of the morning gives way to a kind of noonday brightness, this place and the boys come alive.
And as the world awakens and energizes itself with the fullness of creation, so the boys intellectually are stimulated and come to life.
Music is vitally important to the souls of our boys here at St. Martin's. We have music classes that we actually hold for the students, where we play folk music, we teach them new songs often sung best in camaraderie and friendship. The way we approach the core principle of restoring authentic masculinity in our men is first to ask the question of what is it that makes a man? At least our answer to that question is sacrifice. It ranges from things to getting up in the morning when it's cold, you're tired, and milking the cows and milking them well, or preparing food for the rest of the boys in the school. And then sacrifice also, more obviously perhaps in our sport and on the rugby pitch, of sacrificing yourself to build strength and character for the betterment of the team.
Athletics here are taken very seriously, and it's a huge part of our culture. The main sport around here is rugby, which is huge not only in just toughening the guys up, but just going out and having a good time.
The boys learn here at St. Martin's that part of what they're engaged in is a great spiritual battle. Whatever conflicts, whatever challenges you're facing, firmness in faith, growing in your faith, is the great response, the great key.
And then the day concludes with Compline, which is sung in the relative darkness to bring their day to a close.
The world is full of adventure, and you never know when you go out exactly what you'll experience. And this element of wonder is connected to the infinite variety, diversity, surprises that nature provides.
The sort of life that we have here at St. Martin's is a rich one indeed. And it's really a life that you can only know by experiencing it directly. And I think you have to see it to believe it.